One thing about Jesus, mahilig siyang kumain kasama ang mga tao. Yung tax collectors, yung sinners, fishermen, broken people, yung class B, kumbaga. Meals became sacred moments. Kasi sa culture nila, kapag kasalo mo ang isang tao, ibig sabihin, accepted mo siya. Accepted siya. At yun ang shocking kay Jesus. He kept accepting people others rejected. Imagine the religious leaders watching him. Nagtatanong sila, bakit niya kasama ang mga yan? Pero every table ni Jesus became a preview of the kingdom of God. A place where grace is bigger than shame. And honestly, lahat tayo may moments na feeling natin hindi tayo worthy. Hindi tayo karapat dapat, hindi tayo belong. Too broken, too sinful, too far gone. Pero si Jesus, laging may extra seat sa table. Dahil hindi perfect ka, but because you are loved. Because acceptance often becomes the doorway to transformation. Kaya sa kingdom of God, hospital siya ng broken people. And maybe today, Jesus is inviting you to sit at the table again. Come to Jesus. Come to the kingdom of God.